Welcome back to the Game Logic Design tutorial series on the paintbrush. Right now we're just going to show painting using guides and splines. So here I have a sphere set up, and if I select my paintbrush I can just paint down onto this sphere. Now this is just the startup layout, and it's exactly the same as the regular startup layout, except I've added two brushes here. So from this layout here I can go up to the tools menu and select guide tool. I'm just going to click and click to draw a guide where I would want to draw a line across the surface. And now I'm going to select the sphere again. With the sphere selected, I go back over to my brush tool to make sure that's turned on there. And I also want to enable snapping, so I will hold down the button here and go enable snap, hold down again and go guide snapping. So now when I start to paint over here, it's going to snap to the spline. So I'll just start clicking and draw, and it's snapping to that spline. You can see I've drawn a nice straight line by following the guide. Now we can also paint using splines. So I'm just going to create a spline here. I'm just going to create a circle, and I'm just going to change its size down. Move it so we can see it. About there. And now I'm going to paint using this curve of the circle here, and it'll project down onto the surface. So I select the sphere. Make sure spline snapping is enabled over here. And now when I click on the model and start to draw, it's going to snap to the spline and paint along the spline.